Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to make this black and gold marbled glass vase, which also has some metallic gold leaves on it. It looks so beautiful and so elegant and looks like I've spent quite a bit on this vase, but in fact it's super easy to make it just at home. Let's get into the making. You'll need metallic leaf flakes that I bought from the dollar store, a glass vase that I bought from the dollar store also, paintbrushes to apply the glue and to pick up the flakes, black acrylic paint, gold metallic paint, and I also added some gold glitter paint, and a clear craft glue. I'm getting some of the flakes out just for convenience purpose, and I'm going to be sticking the flakes on the inside of the glass vase, just on the top, and sort of feather it out. Apply the glue in small patches to avoid the glue from drying before you could stick the gold leaves. I just found it easier to use my finger to apply the leaf because the leaf is really flimsy. And very gently pressing down the leaf onto the glue to avoid it from tearing. Once the glue is dried, I am just brushing off the extra flakes with a paintbrush. And that's how it looks like. The more crumpled the leaves are, the more cooler it looks. I'm trying to feather out the leaf flakes, which gives a very distressed look. It looks so pretty on its own, and you could just leave it like this if you want. Okay, so now to get the marbled look with the paints, I'm just pouring straight from the tube. I'm pouring black, gold, and the glitter paint to the bottom of the vase. The white paint that you see is actually the glitter paint, and it's the glue in it, which actually dries down clear, leaving the glitter behind. I am very gently swirling the vase to let the colors meet, and repeating this process over and over again. I am going to be fast forwarding the rest of the video just to show you how much tilting and how much paints I'm using. The inside of the vase looks so pretty, and like you could see, the outside of the vase, the paints are starting to take shape now. I'm continuing to tilt and rotate the vase and try to cover the whole of the inside as much as I can. I am also letting the vase rest in between, upside down in a tilted position. I am adding more black to the top of the vase so there'll be more contrast between the gold flakes and the black paint. I let the vase rest upside down for about 20 minutes to let the excess paint flow out, and also, with the help of a support, let it rest on its sides and rotate it every 30 minutes. Here you can see how the marbled effect is coming into place. To help blend the gold and the black, I'm just using the back of a paintbrush and just creating small streaks. And here's the final result. I just love how this turned out.